continuous tense. Welcome to our class number 4. Let's study the past continuous or progressive tense. Recorremos ao uso do past continuous tense para comunicar ações que estavam ocorrendo num determinado tempo no passado. Example: What were you doing yesterday morning? I was watching a conference. As you can see, we use the verb to be in the past, was, were, added by a main verb in the gerund form. Você me entendeu? Utilizamos o verbo to be no passado, was ou were, acrescido do verbo principal no gerúndio, ing form, right? Para expressar algo que fazíamos habitualmente no passado, utilizamos o advérbio always, like this. I was always driving carelessly when I was younger. Eu vivia dirigindo descuidadamente quando eu era mais jovem. Também utilizamos o past continuous para indicar a simultaneidade de ações. E quando isso ocorre, podemos usar o advérbio when, quando, while, enquanto. Example: I was studying when my mother got home. Eu estava estudando quando minha mãe chegou em casa. She was texting while she was driving. Ela estava enviando mensagem enquanto dirigia. Pay attention. Com when, use o verbo no simple past para expressar uma ação em progresso quando outra acontece. Para expressar ações ocorrendo simultaneamente, use o while e verbo no gerúndio para as duas ações. Now, let's do the exercise. Exercise 1. Choose the correct alternative to complete the blanks. 1. I, Gap, studying in the US next year, but I needed to help my father with his new company. 2. Scott's students, Gap, some extensive reading when the fire alarm rang. 3. He, Gap, on the test, but the teacher thought he was. 1. Was considering. 2. Were doing. 3. Wasn't cheating. Exercise 2. Yesterday at 3 p.m. the following people were in the middle of an action. Write positive sentences in the past progressive. 1. We play cards. 2. Alice walk around the lake. 3. Carol listen to the radio. 1. We were playing cards. 2. Alice was walking around the lake. 3. Carol was listening to the radio. Goodbye, people. See you next class.